Yo, I'm getting struck down by the monkey. Yo, the monkey. Monkey event. New monkey event. How to get monkey event in grow a garden. So this monkey will strike down all the plants with thunder. Thunder! Thunder! Yes, we got thunder egg! Easter egg! Come on, strike it down. Strike the cotton candy. You can do it. You can actually strike down the cotton candy right now, okay? Oh my god, we gotta strike down peppers. Come on, just the cotton candy, please. The cotton candy, strike it down. Everything is strike down. Oh my god, there you go. Let's go. We get the golden cotton candy. So this is the only event that will be spawning if the update drops. So you have to be in game before an update drops. And we might even get a disco event again. You see, like there's disco fruit. So there you go. Everything is glowing on my thing. W event, W update. This is how you get the monkey. This is how you get monkey.